Eliminate the need for ladders and scaffolding with the JLG 1230ES drivable vertical mast lift. Need to make a maintenance call inside of a building with smaller doors? Want something safer than a ladder? The JLG 1230ES could be exactly what you need. This vertical mast lift is low maintenance, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. The 1230ES has automatic traction control, so if you are working on carpet or concrete, you never have to worry about having to apply more pressure on the controls to get the machine to move. Weighing in at less than 1,800 pounds, the lift is easily transportable in freight elevators. It has a working height of 18 feet and a platform height of 12 feet. Work quickly and efficiently with the JLG 1230ES. Check out the 1230ES and other vertical lifts for sale now on Fleet Out Marketplace.